Back again with my cars from Pro Street. This is my Lamborghini Murcielago. I got this with a free car marker, and it uses for speed. 987 brake horsepower, 8,544 RPM, 799 foot-pounds of torque at 7,261 RPM. Top speed 250 miles per hour, 0 to 100 3.9 seconds, 70 to 150 in 3.9 seconds, 0 to 100 to 0 miles per hour 7.2 seconds. That is some very, very good braking for a fast car. It's my Audi RS4. Not very good for grip, but it is I do use it for grip races, but it doesn't have that much traction around the corners. It's good. It's good for the fast corners. It's pretty good for that. What I don't like about it is that when you go sideways, it just flips and totals. So if I had the most total with this car whatsoever. 776 brake horsepower, 8,202 RPM, 642 foot-pounds of torque, 6,648 RPM. 0 to 60 in 3.0 seconds, 0 to 100 in 5.0 seconds, 60 to 0 in 113 feet. This is the Drift King's car, the RX-7. This is the Speed King's car. I mean the Grip King's car. This is Rio's car. This is a Evo that I bought for speed. Didn't bother putting new vinyls on it. I just was in the mood. Looks alright, just a body kit. 1,012 brake horsepower at 8,000 RPM, 663 foot-pounds of torque at 10,846 RPM. That's a lot of RPMs. Top speed 246, 0 to 100 6.2 seconds, 70 to 150 4.9 seconds, and 0 to 100 to 0 in 10.3 seconds. And finally, I have another STI. I just kept it stock, just colored the wheels. Just use that, just to inspire me, because this is my favorite car. So when I get this car in the future, I will know what power or grip to expect for a stock car. So nothing is done to this except for painting the wheels and just putting on stage 1 brakes. That's about it. So you're going to get the normal 300 brake horsepower, 300 foot-pounds of torque, 0 to 60 4.8 seconds, 0 to 100 10.7 seconds, 60 to 0 in 118 feet. Now let me go back to the other cars. The Drift King's car has 661 horsepower. The E92 has 475 horsepower. It didn't have that much before, but I tuned it. The Evo has 852. It didn't have that much before, but I tuned it. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys.